This video will guide you through unboxing and using Insta360 X5 for the first time. The Insta360 X5 standard bundle includes the following: insert memory card. Insert the memory card before using the camera. Press the latches on the battery together to remove the battery. Insert the memory card in the direction shown. Reinsert the battery and ensure the orange mark is not visible. Activate camera. Press the power button once to power on the camera. Download the Insta360 app from the App Store or Google Play to activate the camera. Turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open the Insta360 app. Tap to enable all the required authorizations. Tap the yellow camera at the bottom to find and connect to the camera. Then tap Activate and follow the on-screen instructions. Shooting and preview. X5 films in 360-degree video mode by default. Press the shutter button once to start recording, then press it again to stop. Swipe right from the edge of the touchscreen to enter the album. Here you can preview files. For 360-degree files, swipe the screen to change the angle. Tap Pause to delete or favorite the file. Swipe left from the edge of the touchscreen to return to the shooting interface. Long press the power button to power off the camera. To charge the camera, open the USB port on the side and insert the USB-C cable. The indicator light will be orange when it's charging and turn cyan when the battery is at 100%.